Good morning, first graders. Today I'm going to read you a story. It's okay to make mistakes. The author of the book is Todd Farr. Do you know that the author is the person who writes the story? And the illustrator is the person who does the picture, who draws your pictures. And the illustrator is also Todd Farr. Today we're going to read It's Okay to Make Mistakes. Have you ever made a mistake? I make mistakes all the time. And I have to tell my family or my friends or the children I'm teaching, I'm sorry. Because we all make mistakes and it is okay. In fact, I had to apologize this morning to some of my teachers because I made a mistake. So it's okay. It's okay if you spill your milk. You can always clean it up. It's okay to try a different direction. You might discover something new. It's okay to not know the answer. Asking questions helps you learn. It's okay to get upset. Your friends are there to cheer you on. It's okay to fall down. You can always get back up. It's okay to wear two different socks. Others may try it too. It's okay to forget your umbrella. You might meet someone new. It's okay to change your mind. Everyone is ready at a different time. It's okay to get mixed up. You can always ask for help. It's okay if you're clumsy. You might invent a new move. It's okay to get dirty. A bubble bath is lots of fun. It's okay to be shy. Being quiet can make you a good listener. It's okay to color outside the lines. It's good to follow your own path. Everyone has uh-oh moments. That's how you learn. It's okay to make mistakes sometimes. Everyone does, even grown-ups. That's how we learn. The end. Love, Todd.